I'm Megan O'Leary, and at my core, I'm someone who wants to enjoy life outside, something that I believe the East Cape has to give. Time with my family is very important, time with my friends, and a connection to the water. And we are so lucky to live here on the Sea of Cortez and have access to the ocean every single day. So I make it a part of my life. Well, honestly, I didn't choose the East Cape to be my home. When I was 15 years old, my parents started coming here to dive in Cabo Pulmo, which is a national marine park just south of this area. So I started coming with them, and right away it felt right. There is a simplicity to life here. There's a connection to nature here that really sings true to my heart and my soul. So the reason I keep choosing it every morning is because that feeling hasn't changed. There is something special about waking up here and just feeling grateful that I get to live here every single day. Yes, the East Cape has changed incredibly since I've lived here the last 20 plus years. But there's always been this vision, this potential for development, and not in an overbuilt sort of way, but more in a mindful way, a mindful direction. And I wanted to be part of that, building and developing in this beautiful area that is paradise to so many, but in a way that respects nature, respects the ocean, and respects this beautiful place that we live in. You know, buying in a foreign country can feel uncertain. It can feel scary. And I know with Ronival, there's a team that supports from start to finish, from offer to escrow to closing. So something that feels uncertain stops feeling so alone. You feel supported. You feel helped and assisted throughout the process. And most of our clients say it felt easy, and that's what we're here to do. That's what Ronival does. Well, I think that you hit it spot on. I do remember my first transaction, and that's what hit me, is that this is a shift in lifestyle for people. And I fully support that. It's an idea that people can come here and live a very simple life, live a life that's close to nature, live an active lifestyle, and it's something that I really want to get behind. It makes every transaction exciting to know that someone is realizing their dream. When a client chooses to work with me, it's a very personal process. I'm here just to guide them at their pace, answer their questions honestly, and make them feel comfortable every step of the way. You know, trust to me is about clarity, it's about transparency, and showing up when it matters. So I think that all of these qualities make myself a candidate for people who like to work with me and trust me from the get-go.